Hey.
This is my bike. I have Sunday, Vinny bars in gray, Snafu C2 brake lever, Animal Edwin grips and bar ends, Odyssey Path tire front and back, stock fork and front wheel. Frame is Miracle Black Pearl. I have an animal strip seat in gray, King Super Stump, Pivotal seat post, Shadow, Alfred Light seat post clamp, Odyssey Twisted PC pedals in glow in the dark purple, Eastern Medusa light chain sprocket, Mechanic half link chain in white. Just animal illegal linear brake cable. Your Diatech brakes, I don't know, they're pretty crappy. I have a KHE reverse free coaster, 48 hole to a Alex rim, and another Odyssey pack type. And stock crank, and that's about it.
The heart of me is strong today. No regrets, I'm blessed to say the old me dead and gone away.